How to change VLC skin. Today I'm going to show you how to change the skin of VLC player. As you can see right now I've got the default skin, and I'll show you how to change it to custom skin and where to find custom skins or create your own. So let's start. First of all, once we have our VLC opened, we need to go to Tools and then Preferences. Once we go there, over here we've got Look and Feel. So over here we have some settings when it comes to our skin, and we can click over here on Use Custom Skin and then hit Save, and this will change our skin from this one to custom one as soon as we close the app and then open it again. And as you can see, my skin was already changed and now it's a custom skin. And of course, if you want to download your own skins, you can do this. Let's go back to Interface, Preferences, and over here we've got link that will take us to a website where you can download your own skins. Once we go to the website, there is important information. Skins do not work on Mac, but you can use them of course on Windows and Linux. In order for them to work on Windows, you need to copy the skins to the VLC installation directory. For example, if you installed VLC into C program files videolan/VLC/skins. Yes, so you need to put your skins into folder called skins in VLC directory. And down here you can download many different skins. As you can see, there is a lot of them, so just download the skins that you like the most, put them in the directory that I mentioned, and as soon as you do this, over here in skin resource file you can click choose, and then you can locate the skin in the directory that you want to use. As soon as you open it, click save and restart the application, your new skin should be already working. And I'm just going to use my native style because I like this one the most. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.